First, put the controller on the light to power the light. The installation is easy. Rotate the controller and align it with the open state for installation. Then you can put them together according to your own ideas. Use connector with large spacing when power is needed. When fixing, please also pay attention to the double slots of the light. The small connector is a feature that we can use when doing a lot of light splicing. The installation of the Cololight is finished. This is the first step of base. Just put the light on it. This is the second type of base, usually used when there are a lot of lamps to keep balance. Open the Cololight App Complete Account Login. Click the top left button. Click Add. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the internet. Click Next. Long press the controller of the Cololight. Name your Cololight. Swipe left and right, up and down to change the lightning effect. Click the button in the upper right corner. You can set the maximum space of the lights. You can set the default light effect and edit the basic information of the Cololight. Click the button in the bottom right corner. The lights can be turned on or off. Adjust the brightness of the light. According to the music, light effect can be rhythm. Customize the lightning effect.